Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best headphones for mixing and mastering. At some point while mixing, most people realize their regular headphones aren't cutting it. The bass feels off, the stereo field sounds strange, and the mix just doesn't translate well anywhere else. That's where proper mixing headphones come in. Let's take a look at some of the best ones on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth headphones on our list is the Audio-Technica ATH-M20x priced at $69.85, which we have awarded a 4-badge rating. So these are closed-back headphones, which give you excellent passive isolation, perfect if you're working in a noisy room or tracking alongside your mix. The 40mm drivers deliver a frequency response of 15 Hz to 20 kHz, giving you a wide, reliable listening range that covers everything from deep sub-bass all the way through the high-end air. For critical listening, that's exactly what you want. Stereo imaging is clean and focused. You'll have a clear sense of placement across your mix, and the soundstage, while intimate, keeps everything organized and easy to follow. Detail and clarity are genuinely impressive at this price point. Transients come through well, and you can make confident EQ and balance decisions without second-guessing yourself. At 47 ohms impedance, you're plugging straight into your audio interface with zero hassle. No amp needed. The single-sided coiled cable is a thoughtful studio-friendly touch, keeping your workspace tidy. The build is mostly plastic but doesn't feel cheap, and the single-sided coiled cable is a nice touch for studio use. Keep in mind that closed backs can color your perception of stereo imaging, making things feel a little narrower and more in your head compared to open backs. Our team recommends this for those who are learning to listen while being budget conscious. The fourth headphones on our list is the Philips SH-P9500 HiFi stereo headphones priced at $99.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one is an open back design, which immediately changes the game for mixing. Open backs give you that natural speaker-like soundstage, and the SH-P9500 delivers exactly that. A spacious, wide, and deep soundstage that makes stereo imaging feel far more accurate and true to life. You can really hear where things are sitting in the mix without that closed-in, tunnel-like feeling. The 50mm neodymium drivers are engineered to deliver full-spectrum sound and avoid unnecessary coloration, which is exactly what you want when making critical mix decisions. Frequency response runs 12 to 35,000 Hz. That's an impressively wide range, giving you solid coverage across the whole spectrum. The mid-range is honest and natural, highs are crisp and well extended, and the detail and clarity across the mix are genuinely excellent for the price. Impedance sits at 32 ohms, so like the M20X, you're plugging straight into your interface. No amp needed. The double-layered padded headband and breathable ear cushions make these genuinely comfortable for long sessions, and ear fatigue is minimal thanks to that airy, open-back breathability. The detachable 3.5mm cable with a gold-plated connector is a clean, practical touch, and the steel headband gives it solid durability despite being mostly plastic. Now, sound leakage and noise isolation are minimal, which makes it strictly for home studio use in quiet environments. Our team recommends this for anyone serious about getting an honest, open, and detailed mix picture. The third headphones on our list is the Sennheiser HD560S priced at $163.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Right away, the open back design tells you everything about what Sennheiser was going for here. Those open ear cups let sound waves expand naturally, and combined with Sennheiser's EAR angled driver alignment, which mimics the triangular listening position of a proper studio speaker setup. The soundstage and stereo imaging on these are remarkably wide and accurate. You're hearing your mix the way it was meant to be heard, not squished into your skull. The 38mm dynamic drivers are tuned specifically for linearity and accuracy, covering a frequency response of 6 Hz to 38 kHz, which is exceptional. The entire range is honest and neutral, deep, defined bass, clear mids, and brilliant extended highs above 10 kHz. Detail retrieval is outstanding, and with ultra-low distortion at just 0.05% THD, what you hear is truly what's in your mix. Ear fatigue is minimal. These were literally engineered for extended analytical listening sessions. At 120 ohms impedance, you'll want a decent audio interface or headphone amp to drive these properly, but nothing crazy. The detachable 3-meter cable with both 6.3 and 3.5 millimeter connectivity is a thoughtful, versatile touch for any studio setup. Take note that the 120 ohm impedance means a basic laptop headphone jack won't cut it. You'll need proper amplification. Our team recommends this for intermediate to advanced home studio producers who already have an audio interface and want a serious step up in mix accuracy. The second headphones on our list is the Beyerdynamic DT-770 Pro, priced at $199.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is one of those headphones that has literally been a studio staple for decades, and for good reason. So, this is a closed-back design. The isolation here is serious, roughly 20 A-weighted decibels of ambient noise rejection, making it a genuinely versatile tool for both tracking and mixing. And despite being closed back, the soundstage and stereo imaging are surprisingly spacious, thanks to Beyerdynamic's innovative bass reflex system that manages internal resonance really well. Placement across the stereo field is clear and easy to follow. The dynamic drivers cover a frequency response of 5 Hz to 35 kHz, and the detail and clarity across the whole spectrum are excellent. Highs come through analytical and differentiated, and the low end is punchy, defined, and crisp even at ultra-low frequencies. This is what Beyerdynamic means when they say top-notch impulse response. At 32 ohms impedance, this is the version you grab when you need full studio-quality sound straight from a phone, tablet, laptop, or interface, no amp required. Build quality is exceptional. Handcrafted in Germany, spring steel headband, replaceable soft-skin ear pads, and a robust construction that's built to last years of daily use. Comfort for long sessions is genuinely solid, and ear fatigue is kept in check. For the limitation, closed-back design means the soundstage, while good for its type, still won't match an open back for pure spatial accuracy. Our team recommends this for mobile and on-the-go producers who want studio-grade sound without needing an amp. 32 ohms means it plays nicely with phones, tablets, and laptops. The best headphones on our list is the HD490 Pro Plus, priced at $668.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one is in a completely different league from everything we've talked about today. Open back design, right out the gate, and the open frame architecture delivers an extremely wide, dimensional soundstage with ultra-precise sound reproduction, eliminating audio blind spots entirely. Stereo imaging is surgical. You will hear exactly where everything sits in your mix with confidence. The 38mm neodymium drivers cover a frequency response of 5 Hz to 36.1 kHz, an unusually wide spectrum even for reference headphones, and the detail and clarity across the full range are exceptional. A special low-frequency cylinder system handles the bass, keeping it defined and clean without artifacts, and harmonic distortion is kept below 0.2% thanks to the open frame architecture. That's as clean as it gets. Now here's what makes the Plus version genuinely special. It ships with 2 distinct sets of ear pads, fabric mixing pads for an analytical neutral response, and velour producing pads for a warmer, fuller sound with enhanced bass. 2 headphones in one, essentially. Both pads are great for long sessions, and ear fatigue is a non-issue. The Plus package also throws in both a 1.8 meter and a 3 meter cable, a 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter, and a hardshell carry case. That's a complete professional kit right in the box. The ear pads are even machine washable and replaceable, adding serious long-term durability. At 130 ohms impedance, you'll need a solid audio interface or headphone amp to drive these properly. Only the most powerful dongle DACs will cut it. Our team recommends this for professional mixing engineers and serious producers who want reference-grade accuracy, dual sound profiles, and all-day comfort in one package. And there you have it, folks. The best headphones for mixing and mastering. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.